Leadership is not about titles. It is about impact, influence, and inspiration. At the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy of BCall University, the Leadership Legacy program was born out of a vision to build bridges of partnership, cultivate transformative leaders, and create a ripple effect for peace and development in society. These linkages have made a difference. Schools and communities have become safer, youth have found a stronger voice, and local leaders have gained innovative strategies to address societal challenges. As we look ahead, the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy remains committed to making education relevant in this complex world, anchored on the belief that true leadership is about service. The Leadership Legacy program will continue to weave networks of collaboration, ensuring that every step we take leaves a lasting impact for future generations. Because when we lead with purpose, we leave behind a legacy of hope, unity, and peace.